Right, good afternoon, it's Clinton Gray. It's been a while since I did a last video, but we have a request from one of my subscribers who's having a problem with not seeing Polygon on his Google Android version of Google Maps. So let's get stuck into it. I did some trawling around, couldn't find a suitable answer, but I have made a workaround which is fairly straightforward. So let's get stuck into it. We'll start with creating our polygon. We'll do that in Google Earth. So let's just create that. We'll call that polygon test, or just call it test. Alright, just check up on the color. You can just set your parameters here and leave your area as outlined. Okay, and we'll just move that off to one side, and we go ahead and we'll just quickly click this. Alright, so you've now created your polygon. Alright, so let's take this out of here, click OK. Then we'll go across to the little index on the side, right click, save place as, okay, test KML, and we'll save it to our desktop. Right, so we get out of here. Now in order to do this workaround, if you don't already have Basecamp, I'll link a description where you can upload or at least download it for free. So then what you're going to do is, once you've done that, you can go into here and you can import. Alright, you go to desktop, go and find that polygon that you created, and you can see it there. So you click on it. Now what we're going to do here is basically we're going to create a GPX. So with that test highlighted, there it is there, you can just see it there. We'll just leave it as highlighted. You can then export it. We'll export it to, we'll call it test again, and it saves it to the desktop as a GPX. Then what we'll do is go to your Google Maps. First thing you need to do is make sure you are in the correct Gmail account. Go across to the little three dots here, go to your places, click on maps, create a map. We'll just give it a second or two. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to rename it. We'll just call test. Okay, now we're going to import. Select your file from your desktop. So we go down and we find the GPX file. We'll open that up. Okay, so there's basically the information we imported. Obviously I brought in another map as well, but if you look in the bottom corner here is our little polygon. So let's have a look at this polygon. Okay, so that's the polygon, it's in there. You don't need to do anything else because everything's been saved. So there's your polygon. This is in your PC now. So because it's in your Gmail account and you've linked your Google Maps under your Gmail account, what you'll do now is you then close everything up, and we would go to we'll go off to the cell phone. So I'll be back in 2 ticks while I hook up the cell phone for you. So first things first, you want to make sure that you're on your Gmail account. There it is there. So what we can then go and do is go to Google Maps. Alright, here it comes. Okay, we'll just minimize that down a little bit. Alright, so then what we can do is go down to the bottom corner here to where it says saved. You select saved, you go to maps, bottom right hand corner, click on maps. Okie dokes. And we can click on untitled. And you can see it's brought in. There is your polygon. Let's just zoom that in a little bit. Let's get that zoomed in. And there is the polygon on your Android device. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this sort of content and you want to support the channel, please feel free to subscribe. That's all for today. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.